Ki khubor ka Batesi TV
ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian Rupa Premium Meghalaya
MP ke Shillong Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon haka arpnyotrek ulber arjar arpsan ula penha perda ya ke annual school sports jong galang ti rem Presbyterian Secondary School Mairang. Haka ni kasi la saki langru da Dr. RJ Cunville ka headmistress ki nohingkai bat ki khana puli jong ka school ki Nongïashim Bynta ha ke jele kai bapher.
So this is the month that we witness our young athletes showcase their talent, disciplines, and sportsmanship throughout this week. And it has been a celebration of teamwork and also a spirit of fair play. And today, as we conclude this memorable event, let's take a moment to appreciate the efforts of the students, teachers, and also everyone who contribute in making this sports a resounding success. And also at this time, to mark the significance of this occasion, we are honored to have our achievers with us here today. None other than Dr. Ricky AJ Syngkon. And at this time, I request all of us to please give a big round of applause as the support of Dr. Ricky sharing his valuable time to be with each and every one of us. And also to our guest of honor, Dr. Cunville, Associate Professor. So we are also honored to have you with us here to conclude and also to be with us throughout this whole day. And last but not least, we are also honored to have with us Madam DC of the Eastern West Council District. Madam, your presence in gracing this occasion and also helping us to inspire these young minds. It will be a blessing to each and every one of us. And also we'd like to welcome the chaplains of the church and also the representative from the Women's Wing as well as from the Youth Wing. We welcome each and every one of you to our fellow well-wishers and also to all the community members of the church and as well as from the media and also to our fellow friends. At this time, we will start our program by the march past. And at this time, I'll hand over the time to start our program to the General Commander. And what a better way to commence this exciting event with the most anticipated and preceded part of the ceremony, a march past, a perfect display of unity, synchronization, and sports. Magnificent of crowd. Approaching the guide, there's a red house, the commander lead by Bynta Watch holder, Dr. Cunville, and the flag holder, Nongïashim. In the marching, Lawan Biampur, Black Holder, and Damat Rakapur, the Black Holder. Followed by the greenhouse, commander by Cunville, Big Boy, Black Holder, Lawan Biampur, and Black Holder, Bynta the same. At last, the old house. The number was the number 30 over. As each house approached this voting base, crossing Cunville Jesus, a true mark of respect and admiration. This moment symbolized honor, discipline, and a spirit of sportsmanship that runs each and every participant. What a breathtaking display of unity and precision. I request each and every one of us to give a huge round of applause for all the participants for their hard work and dedication. And at this time, I would like to call the order of the church.
Kumni lemba ni annual school sport meets jalan lunch dengan secondary school di keluar ngidap lagi jengkeman putra kebang UI yang kini kami ambil jangi Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon Dr. Cunville di malam visi kepulauan pelajar tahun koridor di Tengki Banyak dan Langbangi ketika closing ceremony yang ketika annual school sport di I pledge pun ya ketika tour Tengki saat Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon ni penbau kejing semua buat dan kejing panjang kejing fi ba kila loy dan dan ringkat ni keskan Cunville ni ai pledge pun i Dr. R.J. Cunville iba la pelai pur dan dan ringkat ni Cunville ai pledge pun i mana kasih Intan langgangi Cunville ini kilo kisni kiba ibunkan nomor ketika financial year di kiba madam jengi ibunkan Henry lapalai yang kapur pendidikan ringkat bagi hingga place pun ya saudara jengi pasal di India General Secretary Jangka belumnya masyarakat orang kita yang di balansan ibadah dan tingkat dengan sebenarnya yang dengan keluarga di belayan kita.
Memorandum of Nongïashim Presbyterian Secondary School submitted to Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon, Cunville MP of Lok Sabha on the 29 March 2025. Respected Sir, on behalf of the Managing Committee of Nongïashim Presbyterian Secondary School, we request you to kindly to do a favor for the welfare of the school as follows. Number 1, school was established on 27 February 2004 and the Nongïashim Presbyterian Church is the main sponsoring body. Number 2, the school has got its recognition certificate in the year 2017. Number 3, as of 2025, our school consists of 13 classes, that is from class nursery to class 10. Number 4, the total number of all students in our school is 135 and we have 13 teachers who have completed their degree course. The school also has one helper who takes care and look after the students, especially kindergarten. Number 5, the salary paid to the staff, both teaching and non-teaching, is very low when compared to the expense of the basic necessities in today's life. Since the salary is totally sponsored by the church authority and from the school fees collection, the school have not yet received any help from the government regarding the salary and other funds. As cited above, we humbly request your kind honor to lend us a helping hand by providing us the requirement from your good office. The following are the requirements which are needed the most. Number 1, provision for enrollment in the ad hoc grant. Since the school has not received any fund from the government, so we do request your kind honor to help us to receive enrollment in the ad hoc grant. Number 2, grant in aid for teacher's salary. As the church authority is sole sponsoring body for teacher's salary, there are times that teacher's salary came to a halt due to fund constraint. Therefore, sir, we humbly request your kind honor to help our teachers for grant and aid for their salary. Number 3, computer and science laboratory. Hitherto, the student lack access to dedicated facilities for hands-on learning in these academic fields. Thus, the school consider establishing a computer or a science laboratory to meet the growing needs of our students. As we are aware that science, technology, engineering, and mathematics, STEM education are increasingly significant components of modern education, we seek your honorable consideration in this matter and appreciate your favorable review. Number 4. As of now, the school building is temporarily erected in the church compound. The management committee had already bought the land and is planning to construct a new permanent school building at an estimation cost of approximately 1,92 lakhs. The school has started construction of the building, but due to paucity of funds, we found much problems to proceed and complete the work in time. Therefore, we humbly seek help from the government body in order to enable us to carry out the construction smoothly. Hence, in this regard, we are again seeking your kind for consideration from your government. The management committee, along with the sponsoring body, is looking forward for your kind positive response in connection with the above appeal. May the good Lord be with you and continue to bless you and your good office now and days to come. Thank you, yours faithfully, Shri A. Barbanyan, Chairman, Managing Committee, Lansterian Presbyterian Secondary School, Srimati Syngkon Kumar, Secretary, Managing Committee, Lansterian Presbyterian Secondary School. Thank you.
Kita dari sukuman bakal banyak biang hari ni school, naga kita banyak kemelang bati kumkina hari ni annual school sports meet kebalong mentau senam. Diswagatan suban air jepulai kebakar pangai, yai MP Juni Dr. Ricky A.J. Syngkon. Ibalang sisa ukur bating san sisa hapo parlimen. Kanu midap lagi ia kita sukman habang ia doktor jini bai ajin kran hapo jangka parlimen kalau je sarong ya kejat bener ya se kata kajunga nim kamju ikut MP di ba yola dan kran bumskin nak kejat bener juni nak kumbalang doktor Ricky Syngkon bat ke ba pula susu kalau bakaran na i barojar jiki kau de kiti kar hantu parlimen. Mereka keren itu car, anda penhabi turnia pemadan laban Israel. Jadi kalau ke mama itu ke member, anda ke MP hang tu bro, ki buram ya kejikiran jadi nomor baik, ya berkar tangga kerdan rumah, bila di PhD ini doktor, kita tahu kalau dia buram nak tangga jadi berdua. Ini kita kerja ni doktor, bagian dia sekarang haga Jingalam jupi nang taga ri bakajal pun kajuni. Tiada kena keproses sini ia selalu ia kepuka memorandum balakran nagaliang juga school. Nagalay jingi komisioner sumban air jikirsan ia ketukan memorandum kerpat ya MP juni balong dynamic balong speed akikam kejam subha ban sikialan ya tu juga part nak yang school ban nyarapu ban penolong ya jadukam jangni school nikit bukan school kadon ke jingkit ke bakhya hap namar ba baro ki lasai la kersan da kapalan ban namar kata kada mani ku mahuni posnang pedam yang jung kemudian ka headquarter jogani ka district ikwa di school juni hangne bro kinja ki ustad baro kenang makan long di mentoy ke baksawe na ke benta ki ko ki coba NP dan burong banyarap yang jadi kam baro hapo jogani ke school na ke benta ki kena ke juni ni kami minta pada jadi tunak yang ki jiwai ki masdal mampi pelale tiga bangga kuat padang hani yang nembut tin so bahan ki kena ke benta ya kulit kuat bah presiden bah yang muksa jang i doktor ban ya ketan ban long di doktor ban long di engineer ban long di besar hal telah terekam beberapa kaya kita solusi yang kena keluar kamang ba dah kini sini ya kecak bendi tinggi nyem dan su ya ki officer tiba tidak pasti ngajar bendi kasi janji janji lasi muta kita pas IAS dan su bapas IPS dan su apa tak ya kita les di DC pokok state negara juni baru kita si betul kemudian ki IAS kilawan daki wei pada kita boleh ini kalau kita kesin jauh kajian kajian tapi besar ke bahaya baru kemudian lagi kita boleh ke bak harus state negara juni kalau kajian nak minta kajian penting nomor kita kada akan tu tinggi hak ke mereka pada banyak tu bapnya presiden melihat ni nak kiar nak dilakukan mobile kemudian nanti kena jini lah setai berah dilakukan game lagi mobile kelat no ya kita kisah ini belum kita kadang kepor benilakai berkadang kepor bangun ya kerekat kadang buat kalian aja kepor kadang berpindah lasai semua.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Devika Lindolukon from Yellow House. Today, I am a computer. I am a very smart. I never get tired. I can help you with many things. We just need to press my button. Thank you.
Good afternoon. I'm here dressed as a cowboy. Do you know why I just said yes? Because I remind my grandparents traveling on a horse like a cowboys do. Traveling on a horse or a car drawn by horses, because howdy everybody, my name is Syngkon. Howdy everybody, my name is Syngkon. I represent the Yellow House. I'm here dressed as a cowboy because it reminds me of my grandparents traveling on a horse like cowboys do. They will do to different markets in different places like Mario, Nongïashim, and Nongklao, etc. Traveling on a horse or a car, because there were no motor vehicles available those times. So this is the short stories of my attires in this afternoon. So have a great blessed day. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nongïashim. I'm from Red House. I am Dettol liquid hand wash. I protect you from germs. Use me before eating Use me before and after eating. Use me before using toilet. Wash your hand can protect you from many diseases. Wash your hand for better health. Thank you.
Good afternoon to you all. My name is Josie Mary and Laura. I am from Red House. I am in trees. Trees are a source of carbon dioxide. They absorb carbon dioxide and help regulate climatic conditions, along with transforming carbon dioxide into oxygen by photosynthesis. They are also vital for the life of surveyors and tribe. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Tang junga kay lawan sa greenhouse. Tang dong ni pan akum nong ran. Nga long balas ni pan trish dong pan im lai ijak po. Bless you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Our dear judges, invitees, especially respected Sir Dr. Ricky Syngkon, my name is Suzanne Martham. I am from Greenhouse. I am my capacity. Jadi capacity masyong nasa alam lagi lasmal dengan kimeran. Ban usia tujuan yang kai syajan kagran. Ban pula yang yang syashnang. Nadu kata kapur lakon yang capacity. Kabresh bun.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Nongïashim from Blue House, and I am a social media. I connect all the people around the world. Everyone loves to use me. I help you to explore many new things. If you use me nicely, you gain knowledge. But if you use me too much, I may take control of your life. Use me as a tool. I will make your life better. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bynta from Blue House. I study I learn of princess. Thank you.
Nongïashim sudah berjingsukan bersama Genius I harus di sini kerjakan buat Asia kini kalau income ini keluar dengan umbit menang pensta baru di kendung kena tidak red mengikan mau ikut ka adikot tak ketia juga beli kalau dalam hikai kena dan red ungu kedat syu dan lahir bani bagajing ini kisi kelombang imai gajing nang gajing start unta ki kena beli beliau baru ni lahir san ki persang banwa pada ki bikila beri sisen di anan banai gajing nang gajing start san kata barukom bat mo pendep era kajong thong gajing im kuma away unong ustad unong filosofo ustad aki pornai mo Socrates baka pertai kasih bukti filosofo beringkong tamu pertai bomba kajing biet kajing tem kadika krain kadika kajing snil andre yayu isong dap kajing somo ni kasi makani ke school ka kajing syai makani kajing syai ke bebe no ya kajing dum kajing syai ke bebe no ya kajing biet kajing syai ke ai kajing kerumen kalawai sampai ke school andre ni kadika shnam kerja andre perkawai ti kerumen mangni bakat kimi kajing syai ke babul kom kanangai pernai yani ke jela ke jui ke negeri ke jui mungkin ami udah si sabar teriu kajing syai ke bher penwan akan ke school masa kawai kermau nak tiju play kapor jumne himaya bo untai akan roa pangidap nak kajing sungu baru kau kinong elam kali ke school Nongïashim kita karai bantai kita ka kenro kajing kerman bantai kita ka kenro Joki jingkir kui babunja manon hani kajaka pada kajat dan redui. Kisah sistem midap jingkeman susah longka. Jaka jingkeman pada kabul ni kapur ni poin ni jaka mengabat ini Dr. Jaki Syngkon MP badan buram jungi dan si Bynta ni kapur bat kubri sibun bat ingat ni kerban si manwan kani ka school kalangai pernah kumui keluar saya boleh tadi begitu kubri sibun.
Association di kapor, aku boleh ya program komiti kamla Subha ina banyak don Bynta, hakane ka jingko jong kejingile sports jong kena jong di sekolah, kemudian sibuk di semua inga, bar kadang tam katukan ni kekentin kuah ikaban pasat, abring jong pi di kapor, ndai tangki kena sekolah dengan net, aku Bynta ki Nongïashim. Pada kita baru kibidun Bynta, buat kejingat nanti jom kena ke sekolah. Apa orang Shanghai ni baik jaga ketintiran, jom kena ke sekolah. Kamu enter to do, depart to serve. Namun belum banyak bansan, pak mi pak nanti banai kejik syakri. Apa nak berkat itu? Kawan lam kejik macam berkat kejaga. Oleh ini perumahan ni, ada kamdon ni, ingin san ayu, abang ini rumah ni ada kamdon ni, dengan scam, kita balai don Bynta ke banseng yang ada di sekolah, kita ni ke jengi ijngai ke jengi kalong, kita dengan yang kena ke dong katan, kita nasi ke jengi dona, akaliang jong, kulit putih nanti ke jengi bombyang jong di sekolah. Hakane ada ke senang ada ke dong katan kapalong yuki pension ya koi karai panstam ya ke school mat nangit scam lu rangkat mat kino hikai ke bedon Bynta lalu paslang ya ke school bana ya ke hikai bano ke jikir ku ya kini ke khol gikti ke jonghi ke bedon hakane ka senang mat sing ke dong katan ang scam ba aba pirong hakane ke school kacing gerko ko piyo kalong amdei tang kacing hikai ha ko bede kacing manjing tip jong kacuk ko mentang ni scam ru nalor kita anget ketika school ka hikai ya piru ka penhe pensan ya pi ka besar ya pi daki AK kom haga bede bat ka jingkilan met mo ka sports kablong kawai naki Bynta ka bangiton kam kom kikna wat hadu ki bahe sandu pandon ngapte kamet ka basak kia bat ane kanigas annual sports meet jong ka school kan Nongïashim Bynta jong kanigas school haba bagi kena kirong hamde kirong hamde taman nang ya kataga ya pulih putkin rai ban tiplu agi mere bagi sports banget ru kum kilo ikai haba kirong hamde kidon ru ya jingkit kri ya ban sandul ya jinglong chong kini ke kena nomor ke school hi kadai ke wei pat kalong ye lai nala ye pat khamdam haga kum kini kisni for haga jingya be jongki kimi ki pa haga bede bat kamai kaji ban pendek pendiang pendap gijing don kam coba yang kesem onsin na jum siap ba kikibi kikpa kim don poso ina jom kikon kikti kemono ban pendap ikita gijing duna na iba kari kamlong jom ki nonghikai bakin syamru ika Bynta jom kikimi kikpa aga ban sneng ban kram kan bala ai por pa gidon kikna wat kawi kamu ko nong kuno ikai hiru ilade kaji ikai ka bakong san tam kabangin ila sen ton kambe tanda ka tin lai ka jingil jong i kam kini ikai kani ka bang piang tam bangin kikna kin portfolio yang jingil ka jongi apa ki pet yang i kam kini ikai bakin trang kita angno bangin long kong utu na kong itu miss ne kong dosa kata ka bakong sanba asro kong kini ikai ba don shibon kini ikai abangila pan ikai tang daga jing long jing em ka jongi hi kamau kong kini ikai shat inga pan pan kamau ni kini kowe asro chok wa kata ka jing yo naga diga school kata tulok kamde ka bobyang kata-kata kiyo ti memorandum panpan yang kecing yarap na kalian kajana kumtau MP ringa kuwa pan nasu solong abang perkhat kita hikai kibawat laga kecing yo joki kamlong kababyang dari mapiton pantunan sim panay kecing syatri kum hikai bang akuntu ikino hikai ru kemau papiton kabenta kabukala agaban sando rigi kena kindon batpi hadu mushos dem tam pat kani ko por ka bakong santam pan sandur ya kalawe kan shiski kanamba kini ki khna ki bon hande kumjuru kinoi kai ki bodro hagari ka skul kirung ndai tang anlong jingkur khui ki we ne kirung ru panong ka jingkur khuru ha lengba gari ka skul pan next camru ba haba kimi ki khna nande kini ia kapan syakri lalu ia yang kesem pan syakri ia kesenong katau pan syakri ia keri bagajat penriu kebahagia bakum kini kisih kepor ngadon kajing sukya haba kapait kajing long jerman jong kikun kikti jong ajong haba perkhat ia kejala kejongi kabadon hapren jong jing deko kibabun kejing deko ko makadang jong kasongkha shokman so sangsop pan perkhan yagani ka jala ka bagi ke jongi hagaba sop hawai na chispa jong ki longi nom sam hagani ka jala ka jongi kede ki longi nom sam ki ba don hapren kejing pat khyoja kejing pat japra hagaba kom kita ki longi kumon sop hawai na chispa kede ki longi kaba kentri kapan kitki ilaga jong ke besar ab hakini ke sop hawai na chispa ki shom sop hawai na chispa jong ki pai nong shong hagani ke jala ka men ke jongi ba khot ni ke ko por ba ni ke ke bang isang sop ban pen ban perkhat ya ka jing long jing on jong ka ni ka ri ka jongi naman ni jom ke sedang nalun pe bade naman ka daw iskol ki bakum kini kinong hikai kidon ka ta ka bakrao ya kaban yarap bikin iki khon hep ki baye ki jong baknang bakin mi nate ki mi shisha ki khon ki baran ka jingkemen nagam takalawe karshismi wanganong epi kare ka challenge nagam ta jongi na yang hindi na juom na kwa ba ka baye swi baganya iri ya kare ka jalla ka baye jongi kare ka jalla ka paningkong hagi mapun kilian nampering ki jalla ki bar lakani ri india baye jongi nila ban pai shagata ka thom banlong ningkong ban lakhamat ambanlong satrai ko mugilong mentang ini ka jalla ka baran sikit banta ki basatrai lo jong ki eke kan sepang ka pure tinggi satrai kan sepang ka kodja ki ak satrai kan sepang ka jinglong jingem satrai kan sepang ka yok ka kot satrai kat sabangi pai na ngi i don siki banta ki basatrai lo wan mano wala pan kentiu pat ya ka wala pan kentiu ka di mana berpapi ki baran mentang bangin syam ya ka jingkit kali bangin long ki badon ya ka jingkit kali simat amdai tamang au ni bakran kamat jompi lena dok kini ki hab ki bare akum ki khna pan poli minot bandon ka thonga ka jingim bagan no ka bangale nan le janai nan le hok nan pendek hok nan long obat play uban ri ya ka kor ka burom bat ube kemah yo pre na ang no pangani iya ka wega swi nam te plano aga wega swi ni i shisha bagani ka jalla ka jongi kalong ka jalla ka pate am ka jalla ka sutrai haki panta ki ba pe bat na khot ya phi kini ki hep ki bare wa kam ki khon na khot ya phi i wei badon hang ni in tray not in long ki badon kata thama ga chiki jongi bagin ton ye ke Bynta bagin i ha ga ski bagar ri ga jongi ano ga ri shisha ka bakiu shajrom bat kham shajrom wangan ni phi amdan kanu ga ba amdan kanu ga bopna ada mangahin engkau nashimi karai bangan desi kamiyong haga ake kabiri bat kecimlong makin jam sim bangin kala ke bamut gin idon kan kum ke jalafi bangin kala ke bamut hagi babon bak ki Bynta akhot igini buat yangiru buat sedin jonga ki besong sekadian sekamon ke jonga bak slow kum ke jat pune makhot pada kuntu yangi kum ke jat pune nashim bangani ka kapu aga kum ke kapu ban khot banyawe yangi kum ke jat pune bangin ton ke jikit kli simat ni mulai bu hangati hagani ke perthai ni don ma ke jong ke Bynta ni duai ho play ban kli ban wa ye ka khamat jamu ban ablay ayu memon na ke Bynta jonga bangale mat nanit scam abangi pai shubule umre nya rap ini bakum ka chat unriu ni don pantalang nangni shakmat bangin ra pat sesisi ya ga nam pa ka burom jong ka chat unriu lagalong hakis lagalong ashlong lagalong ipalang lagalong imlang salang na ki jakatre ope lagalong tu nongrap mo tu bai yang punya passage mau mirade bagi program lagalong beri komputer lagalong itu pak sentil lagalong itu ko bon cowboy bai ibne ono hai no ni Bynta na bagi pi tong ini try hot ini pendap hot ini don ya kata ketin tira ayu ngalapan le naga Bynta pan rapat ya kan nam jaga puram jom ni ka ri ka pe jom ni session pat nila pan le kono ngi pi amdan kanu ka amdan kanu ka bangla na juam habangi bu yo play ashwa jom ke baro te tang ke ni ki kentin play nang kerku ya ka managing committee jom school play nang long kat pat I headmistress juga school, ki khatlai ngot ki noi kai juga school, ki shispa lai busan ngot ki khna ki bapule ka juga school, ki kene ki khpa ki mengelam juga balang ban poro kibiran Bynta. Aga ban penolong yang ke school kumni ke bukanong. Ngangit scam. Bagan ke school kanang keu nagu ke ketan syong ke ketan. Aku bawang iba riman. Pangangit ngangit ke school. Kini ke klur. Ke wapadeng ke percaya ke bedum. Nai ke klur kini ai tensan. Hang hapreng ke percaya ke bedum. Kumag isi tengmet. Ai kamit ke bedum. Ke klur teki tensan. Ai ba minlang punta. Iwai puri nani. Nei tangi kena nei paro medan hande ai baga jingem jogi kanong ka jingem ka bagin timsan nagam ta ri baga chatun ri pan nagam ta uplay ulang nong patem panong siuspa jogi koresh bon seshi sen uplay ungkur khumpe.
It is my privilege and honor to deliver the vote of thanks on this memorable occasion of our annual school sports day. Today has been a day filled with energy, teamwork and sportsmanship, and none of it would have been possible without the efforts and contribution of so many individuals. First and foremost, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to our Chief Guest, Honorable MP, for gracing this event with your esteemed presence. Your inspiring words and encouragement has truly motivated our students. A special thank you to our guest of honor, Dr. R.J. Cunville, for taking the time to join us today with us in this day. Your support and presence meant a lot to our school community, and we are deeply grateful for your words of wisdom and appreciation. To all our invitees, guests, and well-wishers, thank you for being here to cheer and support our young athletes. Your encouragement has been a source of motivation for them, and we truly appreciate your time and enthusiasm. I would also like to express my sincere appreciation to our headmistress, teachers, and staff for their unwavering dedication in organizing this event. Your hard work behind the scenes from planning to execution has made this day a grand success. To our students and participants, you are the heart of today's event. Your enthusiasm, sportsmanship, and preference have made this annual school sports week truly exciting and memorable. Whether you won or lost, your efforts and determination are what matter most. A big thank you to the managing committee, our church elders, parents, communicant members of our church, who are the backbone of the school. To our dear parents and guardians, thank you for your constant support and encouragement, ensuring that your children participate wholeheartedly in today's activities. Last but not the least, a special thanks to our support staff and sponsor for invaluable contributions in making sure everything ran smoothly. And big thank you also goes to our friend from the police department who helped us in march past practices. Your hard work and dedication have gone unnoticed. Once again, thank you all for being part of this wonderful celebration of sport and teamwork. Let us continue to uphold the spirit of sportsmanship and excellence in all what we do. Thank you. Hagakasi rumah kawan dan let's see dan dikumla kan soto English. Kani kolong kajing ai play pi baro ki baladan Bynta hapo jong kani ka sngi ka bakul pang jong school.
ya ka ba phi dang wan ban kan siat pen chingai lang ngi kum skol kat nu ko long gijing ai men sim kat nu ko long gijing pen kemen ngi boro ngets kam ba ubli undon ron kat ba ngi boro kan ko por kam tam ye MP jongi ba i gas of honor ibladan ron kat ba ngi por ngets kam begini ki baro ki long gijing lambe ki jong ublei kublei spun pi baro ba kumju ki kena skol ki blatre shitom ling ba jong kan katayo hi broke away.
Good afternoon, everyone. Okay, now I would like to declare the best house of 2025. Guess who will be the house of 2025? Okay, now I will like to announce that Blue House get the points to 1,255 points. Red House 1,345 points. Yellow House 1,590 points, and Green House 175 points. And now the best house of 2025 is Green House.
Membela dan rengkat lembangi lemba jong kene kasmi naru dak setiap hadu kene ke kilat mar ka Bynta kerpang bar kene ke annual sport meets jong school baru shiteo hadu kene kasmi ka bak la pengkut no ya ka wai khamat jame au blai ma membela ri no sumar kendang kene ki kena school nagi cima ke jipaksa jipang ni tishita Kalau kita ban puasa kita thong ban job kita program kembali bu kita por kalau Bynta itu ay kita pangatro cisubi kembali seng kita school apa juga kita serong kita dong kita thang kalau ay sisai kita jingsar kita jingnang kita jingtip sibon kibawan ban pulih ni ringkat kita hikai kibra lan jala de kita kajing pernang persta yaki kena pune kerkuru yang iwai pai iwai au lai aga bagi saya penkot no kumne kidan kajing penkre de kaliang jangka school yaki jingpang kajing di kibantai kan kemet do kajogi aingi kemet ka bokoi ka bakia au lai aswa bagi dia bagi Bynta tu iseban kerku penkoi penkerdang yaki Bagaimana kita betul betul bagi mereka faham kita betul betul jadi online. Persiapan kerkuru ikan bor kita baru. Jangan jengeng jadi nomor bagi ID kisah di betul bor kita jadi. Nomor kita baru kita putih kita dua. Lagi kita kita try untuk itu cisu. Agak bawai no kepala yang ini kita kita patam kita jadi. Kajing ai ke berapa yang ke badap kerhai ke jam utrai untuk tadi membayar jadi Kajingi ba kajong play mo bom jikot siya bom jikot. Lembro kaji sulap pertian kaji bersih bolon kaji mensi bagu. Aib kiri bolon baru lahu kita dekat lembangi. Lembar kita baru kita bermana kita bersih ni. Kita dah nak dekat riba baru sadang sadang jam kita percaya. Nada bantah apa sedu bom jikot.